Yummy, simple, affordable recipe food ever. The small fish, ugali, and sukuma wiki. Hello, fam. Hello. How have you been? Hope you have been faring on well. So today we went to make supper for my family. It is just the simple supper. I'm not feeling well, but all in all, I have to do it for my family. I have to be strong. So let's see how it will all come out, and let's enjoy together. Please give this video a like if you like my channel. Comment in the comment section what is your thought about this food. Will you ever try it or not for you? Then the video is sort of dark because of the lighting, I know, but please bear with it. Watch it and support me. Thank you for being here. I love you all. Cooking ugali sometimes is very hard. It needs energy, but more importantly, it depends with the amount. Is it amount? It depends with the how much the amount you are cooking. If it will be the big ugali for many people, obvious you will need more energy, and maybe you one person you might not cook it. And if you are not used to cooking ugali, it is the hardest thing for you, or you might think it is ready and it is not. But for me, hallelujah, how can I not cook ugali? Let's enjoy, guys. Come, let's enjoy all. Love you. Let's eat. Though I'm not feeling well, I've repeated that thing, I know, but to be sincere, I'm really sick. I just feel like I can have somebody who can help me all through, so that I can my work can be just to sleep and wake up there. I don't have the energy, to be sincere. I don't have the energy. I'm very, very sick. Though I have to cook anyway, so let me continue cooking. Let me be strong for my babies, for my family. let's test the final result. Is it yummy or I failed? But I know it is yummy. I have no appetite, but I will try it for you. I must. Let's eat. This was all I have to eat that night. But I tried. Anyway, guys, it was a good meal. Even if I have not tasted it, I tasted it. It is very, very, very yummy. If you like such food, consider preparing.